You want your image to go from this to this. It's a lot easier than you think. Images are pretty much just a rectangle, and they have a width and a height. You can change this size in the CSS of the image by using the width property. This first image is about 975 pixels wide, which is too big even for tablets. So let's make it 250 pixels wide. Well, that's already an improvement. Now let's move it to where the image is in our landing page. Let's start with 50 pixels in the margin. Sweet. Go ahead and put the background color in and see how that looks. Okay, not bad, but the pic in the bio is a circle. How do we fix that? There's a neat, simple property called border radius. The border radius starts from the outside corners and pulls towards the center of the image. We can start with using pixels to see how it works. Put in border radius and then put 10 pixels. Nice, neat, rounded corners. What if we put in 50 pixels? Okay then, it's getting more rounded. Let's go crazy and make it 500 pixels. Well, looky there. It's a circle, just like the biopic. Can we make it go further? Say 2000 pixels. Huh, didn't change. Why is that? Remember, we fixed the image to have only 250 pixels width. If the corners are pulling to the center and one side from the center is only halfway, then it would make sense to only do the border radius at 125 pixels. Try it at 100 pixels first so you can see how close it is. Yep, really close. Now do 125 pixels. Perfect! We can also do this with a percentage. Since the pixels were halfway, let's try the percentage halfway to 100% and put 50%. It works exactly the same. Just for grins, put 30%. See? Here's a good rule of thumb. If you want something like a circle around your image, use 50%. If you just want rounded corners, use 5 to 10 pixels. I have a confession to make. This trick works perfectly if your image is only a square. Well, what if it's a rectangle? Let's try it with the original image. It looks smaller because we still have 250 pixels width. Let's put that to 400 pixels. Now, make the border radius 50%. It's an oval now. Using the 5 to 10 pixel rule will still work fine as a frame, but check the next video on how we can use the border radius to make a circle with any image shape.